share a recipe with you today. It is a sweet potato spinach cilantro soup. And that may sound intense to some of you, but it's really good, I promise. The first time I made it, I was looking for a detox recipe. I like to do that at the beginning of every year because I always feel kind of heavy and gross after eating a lot of holiday food. This recipe has been adapted. I added curry powder to it, and I think it really adds an extra kick. I'm not sure if the first recipe had lemon and lemon zest in it. It maybe did, but anyway, I hope you enjoy it. It's really fast and easy, and whether you're doing a detox or not, it doesn't matter. I mean, just try it because it's good. And if you keep it in the fridge, like for a few days, you might want to add a little broth to it when you heat it up because it does get really thick after sitting in the refrigerator. Okay, let's get to it.